shopping strip up the hill here of cows. Mum's got Steve. Not many people around because it's obviously a weekday. It's Tuesday and it's 3:30 p.m. Pretty quiet, but can't complain. There you go. A few souvenirs. Usually in summer here it's chockers as it's crowded. There you go, souvenir shop. Here comes Steve. Hello Steve. Hello Steve. No, you can't go buy a souvenir. There you go. Check this out. I had plenty of these swim rings, tubes, or what do you want to call them, in Greece on the islands. Plenty of them. Now, Phillip Island being an island, in summer is probably their biggest season. So that's when all the people come out here and go for a swim. $20 for a tube. Big giant tennis ball, $15 for a tennis ball. Football. Cool. Come on Stevie. Come on Stevie. Come on Stevie. That's it. We'll just keep walking up the hill, exploring the shops here. Nice little bit of graffiti here on the wall here. Cool. Usually when you get graffiti, people graffiti over the graffiti, but they've left this one pretty much alone. Pretty cool artwork. Okay, dress shops. Jolly Lolly Trolley. The Jolly Lolly Trolley. Obviously it's an ice cream shop. Shoe store there. Yeah, you come here in the middle of summer and it's literally bumper to bumper traffic, people. Fish and chips shop across. You can see the clouds up above there. It's pretty dark and gloomy. We were on the other side of the island earlier, Cape Willamai, and literally I had to hold on to my hat. And I actually considered bringing in my drone to take a bit of footage from there, but lucky I didn't bring it. I had a feeling it'd be windy today, but... Okay, across on that opposite corner right about there is a pizza place called La Porchetta. We usually, when we come into Cowes, Phillip Island, we normally stop there, grab a pizza, but we had our lunch on the way down, so Mum's not really keen on having anything else, but maybe another day. So you can see there, La Porchetta pizza. There's more shops further up there. Okay, walking back down towards the pier. A lot of real estate agents here in Cowes. There's a big market for people buying and selling their properties. A lot of holiday homes and caravan sites. Just waiting for Steve. Pretty much like a ghost town here today. Usually it's really busy. But being weekday and not quite summer yet, hasn't gotten busy, and today's weather's pretty average. It's probably about 18 or 19 degrees here.